Hey everyone, want to connect to an FTP server using FileZilla? In this video, I'll show you how to connect to an FTP server step by step. Yeah, whether you're uploading website files, managing server folders, or transferring data, this guide will help you create a connection easily. First, open FileZilla on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll see the Quick Connect bar at the top and the local and remote file panels below. This is where you can manage files between your computer and the FTP server. Next, collect your FTP login details from your hosting provider or server administrator. You will need information like the host address, username, password, and port number to connect successfully. Now enter your server details into the Quick Connect fields at the top of FileZilla. Add the host address, your username, password, and the correct port number if required. Entering the correct details is important for a successful connection. After filling in the information, click the Quick Connect button. FileZilla will attempt to connect to your FTP server and display the connection status in the message area. Once connected, your server files will appear in the Remote Site section on the right side of the window. Your computer files will remain visible in the Local Site section on the left. To test the connection, try uploading a small file from your computer to the server or downloading a file from the server to your computer. This confirms that the connection is working properly. If FileZilla cannot connect, check your username, password, host address, and port number. You can also verify that your FTP account is active and that your internet connection is working. For easier access in the future, open the Site Manager and save your FTP connection details. So you won't need to enter the same information every time you want to connect. And that's how you connect to an FTP server with FileZilla. Once connected, you can easily upload, download, and manage files between your computer and server. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.